What's the meaning of Carlton House Terrace? Carlton House Terrace. Carlton House Terrace.
Carlton House Terrace. Carlton House Terrace. Carlton House Terrace is a famous street located in the heart of London, England. It consists of a row of white stucco-faced terraced houses overlooking St. James's Park. The street was named after Carlton House, which was demolished in the early 19th century. Today, many of the buildings on Carlton House Terrace serve as diplomatic residences and government offices. The street is also home to several prestigious cultural institutions, such as the Royal Society and the British Academy. With its stunning architecture and prime location, Carlton House Terrace is considered one of London's most desirable addresses.